Hello and welcome to another video where today I'll be looking at 6 reasons why you should become an accountant. Adding value. So first on the list is your ability to add value, whether that be to a business or an individual. Now no one wants to work a job where they A, feel completely replaceable by anyone, and B, you don't feel like you're doing anything of value. The first job I ever did when I turned 16 was at Tesco called Gap Scan, and that is exactly what it meant. Walking around the store looking at every single item, and if they'd run out, scan the barcode of the product. And although I learned a lot from this job, I didn't feel like I was making a direct impact on the business. But within accounting, there are so many roles where you can add so much value. I mean, think about specialising in tax, because of your advice, you might be able to save an individual or business thousands of pounds in tax because of something you've put in place or helped them with. You might specialise in management accounting, and because of the reports you're producing, the business knows their exact performance throughout the year, and they can then make decisions based upon that information. Opportunity to break out into other careers. So one of the things about accounting is that it covers a huge range of activities. During your time when training or within the workplace, you may find that actually there are certain parts of the role that take your fancy more than specifically accounting. A few examples could include enjoying working with big data sets, and so moving more towards being a financial analyst. You may enjoy presenting your numbers to internal stakeholders and move towards finance business partnering or performance management. It may be that you enjoy IT and you want to mix what you're learning within accounting with a more IT focused role, such as an MI database analyst or systems accountant. The truth is you're not going to know 100% what you like until you've tried it. But one of the great benefits of the profession is that you're really not limited to 1 or 2 roles. There is so much variety, and accounting equips you with some fantastic transferable skills. You could even become a teacher like me. Accountants are needed in every type of sector. It is true, accountants are needed in every type of sector, but why does this matter? Besides job availability, which I'll be talking about next, it also means there is a lot of variety, not only within the profession itself, but in the type of business you work for. I can't think of many other professions where you can almost have free reign over the specific type of industry you want to work within. For example, if you're wanting to become a nurse, you're obviously limited to the healthcare setting. Some of the active vacancies over the last few years that I've seen are ones within F1 teams, the police, the NHS, schools, councils, football teams, and the list goes on and on. That also leads on to the sector itself. The private sector is known to traditionally pay better than the public sector, but that sometimes comes with having more volatility in job security compared to something like the civil service or council departments. Equally, the public sector traditionally has a better pension, so it's really what you prefer to work in. You also have the ability to work in what's called the third sector, also known as not-for-profit organisations, working within a charity or group of charitable causes. Good job availability. Now this one is a tricky one because I know getting your foot in the door can be challenging, but once you've managed to build up some experience, the jobs market in accounting is really good. There are so many opportunities available, and more roles are becoming hybrid, which means that you may be able to look further afield than you usually would, knowing that you only have to travel into the office 2 or 3 days a week rather than 5. One way to get into the profession, and one I'd highly recommend looking into, is getting an apprenticeship within accounting. And no, there is no age limit on apprenticeships anymore, but it's a great way of studying and working at the same time, which is amazing for building up your experience and gaining a recognised qualification. Opportunity to open your own business. Next on the list then is the ability to open your own business. Now I would say that the push for some kind of entrepreneurial venture is at an all-time high, and with accountancy it's very possible to open up your own business. Once you've got the right qualifications and the necessary experience, there's no reason that you couldn't work solo and just have your own clients, or you may even decide that you want to expand and grow your own accountancy practice. One area that's changed the game on this one is cloud accounting and technology within accounting. Gone are the days where someone has to drop off a big bag of receipts, because now there are so many add-ons to accounting systems and the ability to upload receipts and enter transactions online that it means it's far easier to work remotely. Good pay without having to manage others. Last on this list is the ability to earn good money without having to manage anyone. Now, you might not see managing others as a problem, in which case earnings-wise the sky's the limit. The problem is that in most jobs, to earn significant money, you're going to need to manage others, and not everyone wants to do that because often that comes with some extra stress. Some just want to go to work, do their job and get paid for what they do. Now, within accounting, it is possible to have the best of both, where you're being paid for your knowledge rather than your ability to manage others, and you can still earn a good wage. It is still worth saying if you want to earn a really good wage, then the chances are you will have to manage staff. But that comes down to how ambitious you are. I think particularly when you're starting out in the world of work, it's very easy to think I just want to earn as much money as possible without understanding the pressure or the amount of work involved in order to earn that money. So having the option to earn a great wage while still being able to, for the most part, focus on your own work is a really good thing to have. So that wraps up this video on 6 reasons you should become an accountant. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, if you did, to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more accounting videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.